Hello everyone! If you're new here, my name is Valerie. I make sewn tutorials and sewing patterns. And today I have a tutorial and a pattern for a front tie top. It's super beginner friendly and you don't even need an overlocker to sew it, because we'll be sewing it using a French seam. The pattern, as always, will be in the description below, and for the first 20 people who want to purchase it, there's a 30% discount. So make sure to grab it early. And let's get into the tutorial. So first, print out the pattern and measure the test square to make sure the scale is correct. It should be 5 by 5 centimeters. Then cut away the excess where scissors are marked and tape all the pages together. Before cutting the fabric, I recommend you to pre-shrink it by steaming it with an iron or washing it in a washing machine, so your garment will not shrink later on. As I mentioned earlier, we'll be joining the pieces using a French seam. So first, place the front and back pieces wrong sides together and sew along the shoulder and side seams with a straight stitch 5 millimeters from the edge. Now slightly trim the seam allowance. Then fold it over. And stitch again 5 millimeters from the edge. And here's the seam we end up with. Now we need to sew the sleeves in the same way. So fold the sleeve in half with the wrong side facing in and sew a seam 5 millimeters from the edge. Then turn the right side out and stitch again. And now we need to attach the sleeves to the top. So to determine which sleeve goes on which side, fold the sleeve in half along the seam and the side with a deeper curve where is less fabric goes toward the front. I've pinned the sleeve into the armhole, and now I'm going to sew along the right side first, then turn it right side out and stitch again along the wrong side. Now let's make it ties. Fold the strip in half and press it. Now fold the edges toward this center line we've just created and press again. And fold it once again in half and press. Repeat the same with the second piece and then top stitch them. So now transfer the tie markings from the pattern and then sew the ties to these markings 5 millimeters from the edge. So I've attached the ties and now we need to finish this edge. I cut a long strip 2.5 centimeters wide and I pressed one edge in by 1 centimeter. And now I'm gonna place the raw edge of the strip along the top edge and sew 5 millimeters from the edge. Now fold it over and top stitch. And this is how it looks. As for the hem and the sleeves, I'm just gonna fold them over twice and top stitch. And the top is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments if you like such tutorials which don't require an overlocker and whether you have one. This will help me to plan my tutorials better and maybe make more tutorials that don't require using an overlocker. So let me know. And also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments too. And I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.